Guys, we have reached Nagar town and what a beautiful view with apple orchards around. क्या हसीन वादियाँ है, चारों तरफ हरियाली, गोभी की खेती, एप्पल का बगीचा। चलिए आप लोगों को इस नगर टाउन के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं। इफ़ यू हैवंट हर्ड ऑफ नगर बिफोर, let me tell you that it was once the capital and the seat of the Kulu Rajas. Situated on the left bank of Vyas River at an altitude of around 1800 meters, Nagar is an ancient town in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh and it was once capital of Kulu kingdom. और ये नगर टाउन कुल्लू और मनाली के बीच में आता है। नगर एज ए टाउन इज क्वाइट लेड बैक एंड रिलैक्सिंग। मनाली से दूर होने के कारण ज़्यादा लोग यहाँ आते नहीं है एंड दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स इट यूनिक, ऑफ बिट एंड परफेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन फॉर ट्रैंक्विलिटी एंड पीस लवर्स।
Surrounded by lofty hills and the beautiful Beas River, Nagar Castle is an architectural genius. It's a magnificent historical structure made of stone and wood in an impressive combination of European and Himalayan architecture. Although it has been modernized, the wood and stone castle still bears the history of 500 years. If you want to feel the royal vibe of India and experience the ambience of British Raj in one place, Nagar Castle is the place to be.
This Nagar Castle is a medieval castle which was built by Maharaja Siddh Singh of Kullu in around 1460. बाद में this castle was overtaken by Himachal Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation and they have built a hotel, a heritage hotel which has been functioning since 1978. और यहाँ पे अगर आप इस heritage hotel में रुकोगे so you can see the Kullu Valley from this place. So basically this heritage hotel overlooks the Kullu Valley. और देखो यहाँ पे तो शाम का नज़ारा कुछ अलग ही होगा। यहाँ से सनसेट देखने में नीचे से वुड बी ऑसम। सो ये है नगर कैसल। एग्जैक्टली ये मनाली से थोड़ा सा दूर है, इट्स अराउंड 20 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम मनाली। तो नॉर्मली ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट यहाँ पे आते नहीं है, बट इट्स डेफिनेटली वर्थ अ विजिट टू कम, which should take around half an hour from Manali. तो आप अगर मनाली आ रहे हो तो डेफिनेटली नगर कैसल विजिट करना, इट्स अ मस्ट विजिट।
The wooden roofs, windows and doors of the castle are beautifully carved with unique patterns and designs. The wide walls of this castle are built so strongly that it survived the devastating earthquake of 1905 when the nearby city and the houses were ruined completely. The castle is divided into two courtyards. One of them is surrounded by rooms and stone-paved floors. Another courtyard houses the famous Jagatipat temple, and the architecture of the temple is similar to that of Nagar Castle. While the castle and the views are gorgeous, the museum is poorly maintained. The museum exhibits a part of Himachal's culture like shawls, carpets, nagaras, and many more.